Hi guys, and this is Ahmad. Now we will discuss about how we will update the data in chart. This video we can get to know that how to update the new data. Just click on that table and you can see the guys, and right click on that exactly table, means the chart, and you can see the guys here a selected data is there. So it is showing that wherever the data has been selected, it is showing exactly. Now we can get to know that how the data has been selected. Now click on OK, and now the see the guys, and simply I'm giving here like some other name, pens, ns. See the guys, the pens, that is a column has been added. Now I am giving the May is 40 and June is 56 and July is something, and August is like a different, like a 62. Yeah, see the guys how the means the data we can add in our charts. So before that we need to check the data our how much table it is in occupied. So that option is comes under chart design, and you can see the selected data. This is very important. The data has been selected up to here, so we should have to be add in between only. If you want to add in the sense, just we need to select again, then only the data will reflect, otherwise will not reflect. Now see the guys 8, 9, 10 is there. If we can add the both, and again the data will come and add. This is the one step. And if you want to for example, I am moving this chart to any other, like otherwise I am deleting something here, like minus what will chart has moving. So don't want to move that chart has in our left side, so it would be there in constantly here only. So what we have to do for that, just click on the chart, give the right click and give the format chart area. We can see the one pop-ups are it is coming on right side format chart area. Come this size and properties, and you can see the guys in properties there are three options is there: move and size with the cells, and one more option, move does not size with the cells. Here the last one is don't move or size with the cells. So this is the main important. So if you click on this, you can see the guys, if I am deleting these cells, for example I am these cells, means my chart is not moving anywhere. So this is the one of the trick. One more option is there in this list, means in this chart we don't want that like any pen drive or laptop or some other we don't want. So the simple thing, click on that and click on chart. Just you can give select the data, and here what will happen, the series names it is coming 1, 2, 3 like that it is came. We don't want to 2 series. So see the guys, 2 series data will not show.